here with Brody, and he's making mashed potatoes with his turkey.
What looks more like mashed potatoes? This does.
I just finished mine, so here's my complete turkey.
Yes, I did use the.
And it says Happy Thanksgiving on it. And I added, I added some feathers right there. I added feathers on the hat, and I added wings for it and stuff. And then Brody has, I don't know what he's doing, but like, yeah. So.
I'm already mashed.
Okay, see you guys next time. Bye.
Yo, what up guys? It's Christopher and I made the Tesla side room. You can see they look identical. Big up Elon.
My name's Lolana. I'm in Mr. Harmon's 6th hour class and I made the virtual zoo. And so for my first animal I picked a lion and there's facts about it, and then I picked a spider monkey and then a peacock. So I'm gonna put links down in each one. So yeah.
I made a Christmas tree because it's almost Christmas, and in honor of Noel, I made a Christmas tree, and Christmas is in 32 days.
Hey guys, it's Joel, and I made an astrobot on top of a block with a face. You thought? Check this out. Oh wow! One floating upside down over there, and one floating sideways upside down over there. Hi, Brayden.
Bye.
Hey, it's Rebecca.
Hi, it's Jazmine.
Okay, so what we have here is a caterpillar with a beautiful candlelight dinner.
We have the beautiful man with the ice cream cone and the shades, the mustache, the whole package right here. And we have this telephone thing and the building, as you can see. And next we have...
This is a dude with a building. We'll say it's his hotel.
Then we have the unicorn man, of course, with the Krispy Kreme, my logo, mustache, sunglasses, yeah, the unicorn horn, yeah.
Okay, bye. Hey guys, it's Easton. I have made this amazing Ferrari F50, and I have put a wide body on it. Doesn't it kind of look like it? Like just a little bit, maybe.
That's a great start, though.
Just a little bit.
Hi, my name is Taven. I'm in Mr. Harmon's 6th hour. I created these cool guys with all different shapes, creations. I used the robot guy and put all different figures on him. I used a scribble tool and I used Control C and Control V to get some projects and then change them all into different and weave them together.
Hey guys, it's HLModTech, and it's me and Jonathan showing our cars. Here's my amazing #1 race car. It's kind of weird from that view, but the side views are beautiful. It says John, Path Rocket over here. And make sure to subscribe to HLModTech. Yeah, it's a convertible.
Hello, it's Angel, and I'm in Mr. Harmon's 6th hour class, and I have made Harold. Okay, this is Harold right here. He is a turkey with a really cool, unique face, with a transparent feathers, and his name, and he has been around for a long time. But happy Thanksgiving to all. 2, 1. Hey guys, I made a unicorn family. Poppy unicorn, mommy unicorn, baby unicorn, Mr. Harmon. Alright, make sure to subscribe to HLModTech. See ya.
Hello, my name is Elon. I'm in Mr. Harmon's 6th hour class, and I'm going to show you guys how to make the signs, or how I made it. So first I have to start off by doing the parts to start printing, and then once you're done doing this, you have to come over here, and then you have to print and click add work and upload, and then you have to set them out however you want.
It starts moving, then you'll be able to roll it down.
Oh, I'm scared.
Hey guys, it's Colton here with the cool, awesome dragster. Those drag slicks there, and the spoiler, and then the wheelie bar that's super long so you don't do wheelies, and and the small front tires. It's a drag car. It's HLModTech and it's Phoenix. You can see my family of strong snowman and robot. I haven't made the cyber baby yet, but it's gonna come soon.
Hi, it's Carson here. I made a pickup truck in HLModTech. Follow my Instagram at CarsonDobb.
Hello, I'm Elon and I'm in Mr. Harmon's 6-hour class, and this is my turkey. His name's Billy. He's very derpy and he's not very smart. And yeah, he's a very colorful turkey. Yeah, happy Thanksgiving.
Hey guys, it's HLModTech and it's me and Jonathan doing a duet, and here's my Thanksgiving turkey. He's kind of confused.
And here's my turkey. And make sure to subscribe to HLModTech. Bye.
Hi, I'm Tyler, and this is SpongeBob. This is Desiree, and this is her SpongeBob. I think mine's better.
It's a Modtech car I made. It has one of you called back and
Hey guys, it's HLModTech and it's Phoenix here again. And here's my farm. And here's all angles. Yeah, I haven't put the tractor or cows in yet, but it's good. Subscribe to HLModTech.
These are my turkeys. As you can see, they have some awesome hats, and they also have these 2 little legs. And here is my new car in Tinkercad. So yeah, it's got some awesome blue tires and some nice headlights.
Hey guys, it's Spencer and HLModTech. Happy Thanksgiving. Today I made a bunch of turkeys. And one of these turkeys, one is different. Can you spot it?
Hey there, friends. Guess who turned 1 on Wednesday? And her new gift is a sweet throwing toy. Way to go, big girl. Nice brakes. Still working on the return. We're not quite as efficient as we were. Although there she goes. Good job, big girl. Way to stick the landing, puppy dog.